Hello YouTube. This is a box opening. My first. It's some equipment that I've ordered to start working my stone. Did I say open? I meant working. Never done this before, so bear with me. I'm thinking I should have opened it when I got it, but it's all apart. Let's see here. Oh yes, this is going to be so nice. This is called a slant cabber. So we were all wrong. I was calling it a flat lap, and I was corrected and told it was called a slant lap, and now I know it's called a slant cabber. That is amazing, and I can tell already that I'm liking what I see. I can feel that there's something inside of this too. I'm very excited about this. I was waiting for the weather to warm, and it has warmed. Let's see, Hi-Tech Diamond. This could possibly be a apron or maybe a cover for the equipment. That will have to be. Oh, there's my wheels. Oh, and we all know that Hi-Tech Diamond has some very nice wheels. I'm saying that I'm going to use these for my Opal, but I've also got a really nice Dremel. It's actually, I've got a handheld Dremel with an extension like this, but I think this engine is going to do a lot better for the flex shaft grinder to work on my Opal. And I have got a lot of this stuff. I mean, a lot. And I've been watching a really good YouTuber that does a lot with just a regular Dremel. So this looks like it's just going to need to, don't look very complicated. That's extra wheels. Oh no, these are the pad that goes down on top and the wheel goes on top of it. That's another. These are really nice. I'm really excited about it. I know it might not sound like it, but the weather's getting warm. It's starting to be time to get outside. I do see now that I'm going to need a table to sit this on. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to leave it in this box for now since I'm in the house. I've got to start getting things in order. So everything looks extremely self-explanatory. I have been watching so many instructional videos. I don't believe I'm going to have a problem using this equipment. And I do like the fact that it came with a cover. because I'm going to try my best to keep it clean. And I have other ideas that it has a water drip. I'll be able to use that drip with that flex reel and work on my opal. Because I think if I use this to work my stone, I'll contaminate my wheels. From what I've gathered by watching other YouTubers do this kind of work, and I wouldn't want to contaminate or to work on my opal with a bad wheel. I think I'm gonna put this on the back patio or inside the garage. I'm not sure. I believe for now inside the garage may be better. I mean, on my patio might be better because sometimes I'm needed here at the house and I need to be to where I can hear. So I'm glad to see that this is not what I mean, I knew it was a slant, but I didn't know it was a cabber. So that's a good thing. So I'll be able to work my rock after I cut it. So we need to start cutting rock. I believe I'm gonna have some smaller rocks though that I'm just gonna be able to work without cutting. I like to run tests to see how far I can get or what the actual stone does whenever you apply it to a polishing machine. And hopefully I'll be able to do that live and everyone can see me learn as I go. Because I am new to all this. I've just started with collections of rocks. Then I found opal and that really done something to me. So I'll be doing a lot with opal as I train myself, because I did take a class. I did learn how to cab and use this equipment. I decided to start with this first to make sure this was something that I wanted to do instead of going full out with the full king cab wheels or a Hi-Tech cabbing machine. But if I do enjoy this and start to feel that I need something more, I will go forward with that purchase. But that's probably going to be a while, because I'm really going to try my best to get the best out of this. But yeah, it looks really good. I tried the cheap way and ordered from Amazon and opened the box, and when I opened the box it was rust all in the equipment, and I just closed it right back, put the package in it, and just like, nope, this is going back. And sometimes it can be disappointing, but it's like with a rock. When you open it up, sometimes you don't find what you think you're going to find. Other times it turns out to be absolutely great. So I'll set this up and we can get started. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions about this Hi-Tech Slant Cabber, or you'd like to see more about it, just let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to share any information I can with you. Thank you very much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Everyone be blessed and have a wonderful evening. Thank you.